Hello teachers. Conducting a paper pencil quiz is a headache for you? I have a solution for you. Now you can create online quizzes which would be a self-graded quizzes using Google Forms. So let's go for it. Go to the Google and then select Drive. On a drive there is a button called New. Click on it. Now go to the More, then Google Forms. This will create a new tab loading a new fresh form. The new form has been loaded. First we will title our form. Now we will add description to this form. Description is optional, but it's good to guide users properly about the use of particular form. Now it's time to start questions to be added to your form. By default you will have one multiple choice untitled question on your screen. Click on it to edit it. For this quiz I have already developed a question on a Google Doc which I am going to copy from and then pasting it to the Google form. Then select the options, copy it, and then again go back to the form and paste. Pasting the options will automatically put all the options on different lines. For adding another question, you just click on the plus sign available on the right and then repeat the process that we have done for the first question. Repeat the process of adding questions until you complete the quiz. Once you will add all your questions to the form, this particular form will look like this kind of a thing. Since now we have completed our process of adding question to this particular form, it's time to convert this form into a quiz form. To do so, we need to go to this particular gear icon box, click on it. There is a tab called quizzes. On this tab there is a button make this a quiz. Click on it. Now this form is being converted into a quiz. Options requires you to select whether you want to release marks immediately or after a manual review. As being a teacher, you decide what options are best for your quiz, then click on save. Now it's time to add points and select the correct option for each individual quiz item. To do so, click on the question and then go to the answer key option. Click on it. Now we first need to add the point for a particular quiz. Then select the option which is the right option. We can also add feedbacks. There are two options, incorrect answer and correct answers. We can add incorrect answers feedback, and then we can go to the correct answers tab and then add feedback for correct answers. Click save. Then we will repeat the process for all the quiz items. After completing the process of adding points and the correct options, it's time to send this form to the real users, which are students. Click on the send option. We can send it through email, or even you can send it through a link. Here we are going to send it through an email. We'll add a subject to it and then we'll click send.